What's going on, YouTube family? Back to you guys again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I find winning products, one of my favorite methods, and that method is going to be using the Jungle Scout web app. Now, I'm sure you guys have probably watched tons of YouTube videos showing you guys how to use the Jungle Scout web app, but they don't really show you how to use it the correct way, in the way that you're going to find products that not everyone else is selling. One of the big problems with using these type of softwares to find products is they're spitting out the same exact products to everyone who's doing these searches. So what we want to do is we want to, limit the type of searches we're doing, kind of break it down to a specific category, a specific topic within a category. So we're then finding more niche products, more products that, just aren't showing up to the general public. So basically what we're going to be doing is two steps with the product database. One, we're going to be doing a wide search, and then once we find a product niche that we like, we're then going to run another search, narrowing down the results to find products related to a very, very tight niche. And most people aren't doing this. They're just running broad searches on Jungle Scout, so they're all just finding the same exact products, which can be a problem if you're going to launch your first products. You don't want to be competing with a bunch of new sellers, a bunch of new competition coming into the market. So it's super important that we're finding products that, one, don't have a lot of competition, two, a lot of people aren't coming across them, and three, in the future, we want them to be as least competitive as we possibly can. So without further ado, let's hop on into my computer. I'm gonna go into the Jungle Scout web app and I'm gonna show you exactly how this process works. But before we hop into the computer, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my videos get pushed, and I'd really appreciate you guys doing that for me if you enjoy my content. Now let's hop on into my computer. All right, guys, so we're inside of my computer on the Jungle Scout product database. If you don't yet have a subscription to Jungle Scout, you're gonna need it to do this product research method. So I will leave you guys a link down in the description. But essentially what we wanna do is we wanna select a category that we want to look into, and then we wanna apply some of these filters. So first, let's start off by doing something like sports and outdoors. It's a very popular category, and there's some awesome products. Next are the filters. Okay, you don't really need to put a standard or oversized, but let's say we don't want to sell oversized products. We can then select standard products only, okay? And these different filters are minimum prices you're willing for products to pop up with, minimum nets, meaning how much money is Amazon going to be paying out to you, minimum rank, minimum sales, and minimum revenue. I typically just like to put the minimum price being $20 or even like $19.99, or let's do like $19.90, just so those extra products that are like at $19.95, $19.97 will pop up as well. Minimum revenue, I also like to put at least, like 10,000, because we want products that are in demand. Products that are in demand are usually the easiest to sell, even if there's more competition. What we don't want is selling a product that doesn't have demand, so on and so forth. So let's just put 10,000 for this. We want to put FBA only, because we're only going to be competing with FBA sellers. And essentially that's all we do. So let's click search. And what it's going to do, it's going to apply all these filters. So it's going to select the sports and outdoors category. It's only going to show products that are priced at least $19.90 and are doing at least $10,000 a month in revenue. So as we can see, our thing is finally filtered and done filtering through all the products. So then what we want to do is start finding some products, some niches, and different type of things that we can start looking into selling. So right here we have some type of a cord, a camping cookware mess kit. Okay, we have some type of a camping cookware kit. It's doing $14,000. The reviews are 3,391. Let's also put in a filter for reviews, just so we're not finding like crazy competitive products. Max amount of reviews, let's do 150. Because obviously if someone's selling a product extremely well with 150 reviews or less, that is also going to be a product that we can look at being successful at. So right here we have a body trap beaver, otter, bobcat, some type of don't really know what that is, but it looks interesting. It's doing 11,000 in revenue with 88 reviews. Some type of a water bottle. And what we're really going to be looking for, guys, is specific niches within this category that we can look into, because people are just doing broad searches when they're using these type of softwares online. And what that happens is all these products are going to be showing up for the same people, right? And they're not going to be diving deeper into doing this research within this thing. So let's find a niche, and then I can show you guys exactly how to start digging deeper into Amazon's catalog so we can start finding products that no one else is really seeing. So we see we have a hiking product, right? This is the hiking niche. So maybe we want to only look for products that have to do with hiking, or maybe we only want to look for products that have to do with golf carts or stuff like that. So let's say we find something and we only want to look for products that have to do with hiking, right? We only want to sell products in the hiking niche. We want to build a brand in that hiking niche. So what we want to do, and most people don't do this, guys, they're just searching general searches and finding the same products as everyone else, which is then leading to a lot more competition, more people flooding that specific product's marketplace, and it just makes stuff a lot harder to sell. So what we want to do is we want to include keywords that we want relative to the products that are coming up. So what we would do is put hiking, right? So what this is going to do is we narrowed it down to sports and outdoors. We narrowed it down to at least a $19.90 selling price. We narrowed it down to products that are only doing $10,000 per month or more in revenue. And we also narrowed it down to products that are only having 150 reviews, okay? And also we're including the keywords. It has to have hiking in there. So we're only gonna find products related to sports and outdoor, meeting all these criteria we have listed here, and are related to hiking. So let's do a search. And this is really how you start using these softwares and these apps very effectively, because you have to be going that extra step to finding products that other people aren't finding, and essentially not that many people are utilizing just going in further steps farther into product research. So as we can see, there's a lot of socks. If we see a lot of socks popping up, what we can do is just type in exclude keywords as socks, run a search, and then it should eliminate a lot of those searches. So as you can see, we're only displaying 957 products. That's a lot less than probably like the tens of thousands of products that would show up on a normal search. So we're narrowing it down extremely well, finding those really niche products that are very highly successful. So what are we doing? A military folding shovel, 13,000 rank, 102 reviews, doing 22,000 a month. We have some type of heated gloves for men, a rechargeable heating gloves, 86 reviews, doing $20,000. That might be something to look into. A camping stove cooking system, $10,000 in revenue, 41 reviews per month, not bad. These hiking shoes, but as you guys can see, these are all very, very niche specific to hiking, camping, stuff like that. And if you're just doing a broad search, you're not going to be finding a ton of stuff. This also helps if you guys already have a successful product up and running and you're looking to expand your brand. You can go and run these very, very specific searches on here to help maybe find products that would pair well with the product you already have successfully selling. And the reason you'd want to do that is because you can kind of market and play them off of each other to get more sales, but that's another topic for another video. Well, we have jackets, we have sleeping bags, we have these gloves, electric heating gloves, we have an adventure blanket. So what we can do is just come on to Amazon.com, and then we want to start kind of looking at these products on Amazon, seeing what the markets are looking like. So we have a compact outdoor blanket, compact adventure blanket. Okay, we can start looking at this market. Maybe it's something we might want to look into getting into. These are compact, very small blankets. So we can see there's not a ton of competition here. 22 reviews. So as we can see, it's not that competitive. So that's what I like to see. Let's run Jungle Scout Chrome extensions, seeing what type of numbers these guys are pulling in. All right, guys, so I'm here on the website, and I have this dude's little compact blanket pulled up. He only has 60 ratings. And he's doing roughly about 381 sales per month, about $6,854 in revenue. So that might be a product we want to check out. Let's keep looking for more. All these pants, we got some type of cups, sports cups, 10 packs. Collapsible and foldable water bottle, okay? Let's look up that because that looks interesting. Is that a 2-pack? That looks like a 2-pack, so maybe we're gonna sell that. Type on hiking, maybe we can find some niche specific ones. So we see all these kind of foldable, collapsible water bottles. It looks kind of a bit more competitive, but there's a lot of sellers on here that aren't necessarily, you know, have a ton of reviews. So let's see what these numbers are looking like. All right, guys, so now the numbers are pulled up. We can see a lot of these water bottle sellers are doing quite a bit of revenue. 9 reviews. He's already doing $4,000 a month. Not bad. 55 reviews, doing $6,600 a month. 1 review, he must have just launched. Already doing about $2,500 a month. Let's see if we can find some more. 117 reviews, doing $7,500 a month. So this might be something we want to look into. 37 reviews, doing $12,000 a month. A lot of people get scared of competing with these big, large sellers that have a ton of reviews, but as we can see, there's plenty of people with, you know, a smaller amount of reviews still able to take up some of the market share. So always keep that in mind as well. Let's keep doing some more research. Heated insole with removable control switch. So let's do heatable insole. I've never even heard of, I didn't even know they had heatable insoles, right? This is going to be an electric product, so I probably wouldn't recommend doing something like this as your first product, but definitely for some of the more people that have experience, I wouldn't mind doing something with an electronic product. All right, guys, now with the numbers pulled up, as we can see, the results are kind of spread out. There's like 1 or 2 guys completely dominating, and the rest of them aren't getting a lot of sales. So I'd say I would not want to get into a product market like that. Let's keep doing some more research, maybe finding another 1 or 2. A waterproof survival fire starter kit. I don't know, you might want to look more into selling a product like that, the rules and regulations, but let's look up and see if it's actually selling well. Shows right here it's doing $12,000 per month. So let's do some more research. Come on. Waterproof survival fire starter. Okay, guys, seems like there's a lot of sellers selling this. There's tons of competition. The price point's not where I like to see it at. But let's run the numbers anyways. All right, guys, now with the numbers, we see quite a few guys are doing quite well, some not doing as well, but we see 188 reviews, only doing 7,000. So this doesn't look like too great of a product, but you guys get the point. What I like doing is really, really niching down, or niche, whatever you guys like to say, and really kind of structuring my searches to like very fine-tune them to where I'm finding products that are very specific to a certain type of search I have in mind, a certain type of product category I have in mind. What we don't want to do is this, once we find a product category we're looking to start a brand in, we don't want to just keep running searches in the whole sports and outdoors category and start trying to find other products. We want to really niche down, and find products that are related in that category within a category. So a subcategory almost within a subcategory. So you're going through all these different layers that all these people just aren't doing, right? They're just doing broad searches. They're just finding all these random different products. And that makes it extremely hard to build a brand and have a vision for, hey, I'm going to start this product right now, but what products am I going to launch in the future to further expand this product line? So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I guarantee you, if you start doing product research like this, especially with the Jungle Scout web app, really detailing your searches and very narrowing it down to a specific topic, niche item, whatever it might be, you're going to get a lot better results than just doing these wide and broad searches. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you gained a ton of value, a ton of knowledge with this product research method I showed you guys. You guys should be able to start finding a lot more winning products, just going that one extra step, that one extra layer, diving deeper into a specific category, a specific topic, niche, whatever it might be. Like today we dove into the hiking category. That's a much better search than running just a random broad search for the sports and outdoor category, right? So by doing this, we're eliminating a lot of products that, you know, a lot of other people aren't finding, and we're also being more efficient with our searches that we're running and just our time in general. Also guys, if you already have products up and running, this method can be a great way to look for more product to expand your brand. So if maybe you're selling in like the beauty category, selling a specific type of products, you can go then do searches in the beauty category, narrow it down, type in certain keywords and start running searches that way. And you guys should be able to find some really awesome products that way as well. But if you gained any value from this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. What do you guys want to see here on my channel in the future? Also guys, if you're new to Amazon and like learning more about Amazon, maybe you want somewhere to ask some questions, be sure to join our Facebook group, link down in the description. There's over 7,500 Amazon sellers in there that are always willing to help out people, especially new sellers that are looking to learn. So if that's a place you guys are interested in joining, be sure to click that link as well. But that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video.